How's it going, y'all? Right now I got me a 2021 1500 Silverado High Country. High Country is one of the highest trim levels you can get, next to the Premier, I believe. Give you a look at the interior with a brown trimming. Does have GPS. Does have sunroof. You also have a camera rear view, fog lights, heated seats, AC seats. You got the back glass that opens and closes. It's always a cool feature. That's what I always like about these trucks. It's similar to the 2500. It's similar to the 2500, I would say, but it's a 1500 with a lot more features. Would be the better way to put it. You can get a High Country. You can get a High Country in the 2500 also. You can also get the Suburbans and the Tahoe in the High Country. So the High Country is just a trim level that you can get the vehicle in. Most of the trucks and SUVs have the High Country option. Try to turn on the fog lights. Put this in park. Look at the center console. Include an SD card slot is for your GPS updates. USB port, USB-C port. Nice size sunroof. Go ahead and give y'all a walk around. Folded mirrors. Upper and lower glove box. Running boards. As far as this cover, this is an add-on. It does not come like that. It's an add-on. But this is a good thing to have with these trucks. Comes in handy when you carry a lot of things. You don't have to worry about water getting in and damaging things. So like I said, 2021 Silverado 1500 High Country. Got the black wheels. I believe these are 22s with the off-road tires. Check the windows, make sure they're functioning. Seat belts. We also got rear heated seats. Check this top, make sure it works. I'd have to check for the key. Yeah, I'm gonna need the key to unlock it. I don't remember seeing an extra key on the key fob, but we'll look into that. As far as it goes, the body is pretty clean. Rims are pretty clean.
It's tucked up under that. I think it's tucked up under that.
What?
Battery. You had to take off the rubber ceiling.
Computer was the better route. Because even if you do that, it ain't gonna change the difference. Because those codes, what it is, your scan tool allows it to reach for so long that it gives it enough time to detect it. So even if you disconnect the battery, it's just gonna come right back. The same way the scan tool cleared it, because if that was the case, it would have told me code's not cleared.
Right.
It said code's cleared, it went away, check engine light went away, but that on and off 2-trip cycle triggers it. But I mean, but that's what they're saying to do.
That's what Tim said, dude.
That's gonna turn into a job that needs a ticket.
I know.
They're not gonna make me do that without a ticket. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get a look at the engine. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm at work. Situation on another car. .2 V8. Make sure the fog lights work. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna take this on the road, make sure everything checks out, the brakes, the suspension, tire balance, alignment. So far the tires look good, the brakes look good. So we're just gonna take it out on the road, see how it drives, and get it into the shop. So alright y'all, once again a 2021 Silverado High Country. Let me see how many miles to be exact. About 52,000 miles. In great condition.